And now, let's welcome you to the guided meditation of your brain and nervous system, incorporating our Hawaiian Ho'oponopono prayer. My intention is to guide you through the meditation to help you remove any anger, resentment, blame, hurt, past pain, judgment, so that you can free yourself and all others involved from any negative energies that have prevented you from healing your life and attracting vibrant health. If you haven't already done so, please gently close your eyes and take a deep cleansing breath in. And as you exhale, release any thoughts from your day to be present here in the moment. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in and tune into the highest energy frequency of the Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. The first line of the prayer, I am sorry. Shower yourself with compassion while loving your cells from the inside out. The second line, please forgive me. Forgiveness allows you to heal. Forgiveness allows you to heal. Gently forgive by letting go of everything that no longer serves you effectively in a healing way. Number 3, I love you. Ask your body, ask your brain, ask your nervous system to open up every cell to healing as you bring in the energy of unconditional love. Allow that unconditional love and forgiveness to move into your energy field and gently heal your physical body, especially your brain and your nervous system. The next line says, I thank you. Imagine a loving wave of gratitude flowing through you and all around you, cleansing and clearing you from any anger, shame, guilt, hurt, or blame from any of your past actions, words, or choices. Gratitude always means you have already received the gift of vibrant health. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in and focus your very own magical healing on your brain and nervous system. Trust that you are perfectly aligned with your highest good. Rejoice in the knowledge that you have a built-in healing system. Your body has a natural defense system and healing mechanism that protects you from disease and infection by warding off colds and viruses, flus, infection, and other illnesses. Your brain and nervous system is set up to absorb and digest all the positive nutrition that you can give it. Pamper your system. Feed it only positive nutritional foods and beverages and ideas and beliefs. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. Okay, take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Tune into your energetic body systems. Wherever you may feel under attack or weakened by toxic people, toxic circumstances, or toxic events, remember, you have a built-in healing system designed just for you. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Now, use your imagination to visualize a column of white light moving from the base of your spine into the ground. Allow your column of light to go deep, deep, deep into the earth, all the way until it reaches the loving heart of the Divine Mother Earth. Allow Mother Earth to guide you, support you, and love you. Know that she always holds space for you. She is always ready to heal and transform any energies that you're ready to release. I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. I thank you. Now notice your attention on the top of your head. Imagine connecting to the energies of Father, Son. Tap into an infinite source of unconditional love. Visualize this white light energy flowing into the top of your head, flowing down into your body. Visualize every cell of your body filling up with this energy of love, compassion, and forgiveness. Be the keeper of this energy. Align with your highest good. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you, and I thank you. As this white light energy flows in, visualize that you are upgrading your energy. You are raising your frequency, and you are attracting your light body. Imagine this energy from Sun moving in like a healing wave, cleansing, clearing you on your deepest cellular level. Feel the total support and love of Mother Earth, engaging you and to let go of anything and everything that no longer works for you, that is no longer in alignment with your highest good and deepest well-being. Know that your healing system is greater than any story of illness or disease that you have ever told yourself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you, and I thank you. Know this healing wave of love is helping you release any blockages into the earth for healing, clearing, cleansing, and transformation. Every breath you take is bringing in a healing wave, setting your intention to flush out what is ready to be released so that you can bring in more light, more light, more light, and more life force into every cell, every neuron of your body for total healing and restoration. Please know that you always did the best you could under any given circumstances with the skills and resources you had available to you at that time. Open all of your cells to compassion, love, forgiveness, and joy. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in and focus all your attention on your brain and your nervous system. Tap into that infinite well of liquid stem cell healing from the center of the earth. Pull up that stem cell energy into your nervous system. Use that stem cell energy to heal, restore, and rejuvenate even the tiniest particle of your nervous system. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in and ask your body to open up in order to release toxic people, toxic circumstances, or toxic events. Release any grief, depression, sadness that you have been holding on to that is blocking your natural flow. Imagine that stem cell energy is going into your veins and arteries and into your microscopic blood vessels, carrying with it joy, and love. With your exhale, see how all of your cells are responding, cooperating, and opening up while boosting your brain and nervous system. Feel the heal. Take a deep, slow breath in and ask your brain and nervous system to work with you. Feel your body opening up more and more and more with every breath. Know your body is upgrading, responding, and opening up. Ask your body to dissolve any old or outdated programming with new, important, vibrant information that you can fire and wire together so that your information is new to create that vibrant healing body that you desire. Take a deep, slow healing breath in and loosen up any stuck old patterns that no longer work for you. Imagine the power of your breath loosening up any contracted or stored old information that is ready to be released. Scan this part of your body for any toxicity, any frozen patterns, any numbness, or any contraction that might be surrounding a trauma or any sadness or any depression. Release it now. Imagine dissolving, transmuting, and transforming any stuck energy, thereby freeing your stuck body, your stuck brain, your stuck nervous system from patterns of the past that caused you pain, aging, and illness and disease. Feel the heal. Take a deep, slow breath in. Set your intention now to erase all of these old patterns. Set your intention to release your old subconscious program that is always running behind the scenes of your conscious awareness. Erase, cleanse, and clear any old subconscious patterns of anger, resentment, fear, weakness, lack, or limitation. Take a deep, slow breath in, and on the exhale, see, know, and feel this vibrant energy radiating out into the field around you, upgrading, rejuvenating, and healing your body and your bloodstream from the inside out. Say to your brain, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you for all the times I fed you negative thoughts that clogged you up and did not allow love and joy to flow freely. For all the times I sent angry, hateful, or rage-filled thoughts to someone who I perceived had wronged me. For all the times I jammed you up, my master computer brain, and polluted you with stubborn, resentful beliefs. For all the times I refused to release old beliefs to change and adopt new, helpful, healing thought patterns. I take back my power right now to heal my brain and give thanks for my vibrant version of myself. I fill my own vacuum now by nurturing myself and claiming I am filled with love and joy. It flows from me with every beat of my heart. I allow my laughter to flow freely from me. Say to your entire nervous system, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you for all the times I sent negative, outdated health information to my body and its cells. For all the times I unfortunately listened to others, mistakenly claiming an illness or disease as being part of me because I stubbornly refused to release old information. I take back my power to heal my entire nervous system, to support a well-functioning system. I fill my vacuum with a new thought pattern. I open my brain and my heart and create only loving communication. I am on an endless journey with eternity and there is plenty of time. My brain communicates with my heart. Love and joy pump through my body. All is well. I am safe. I am well, and only good is before me. Now take a deep, slow breath in and feel a healing wave of stem cell energy rushing in to cleanse, clear, transform, and heal. Feel a healing wave of stem cell energy rushing in to let it all go. See your nervous system with the intention to cleanse and clear on the deepest level any toxicity, old health stories, or dramas, or any negative life health recipe programming. And on the exhale, feel the heal. Tune into your intelligent field of information that is present inside and all around you. Always fine-tuning your immune system. Feel the sensation of oxygen and life force and stem cell energy deep inside your brain and nervous system. With every breath you take, you are restoring and reviving all the pieces of your nervous system that felt desensitized, numb, painful, or traumatized. Take a deep, slow breath in Bless this divine power and magical energy that is now flowing through you, all around you. Imagine this intelligent energy upgrading, restoring energy to every particle of your brain and nervous system, boosting it and giving it life force energy. Imagine this life force energy and light emanating out into the field around every single cell. Take that deep, slow breath in. Open your brain and open your heart and tune into the unified field of infinite possibilities where health and vitality are always available to you. Ask this magical energy to show evidence this healing is real. Take one deep, slow breath in. Open your heart even more, calling in the elevated emotion of gratitude. Give thanks for a new life and a new body before it is made manifest. Imagine your healed, vibrant version of yourself with a strong and healthy brain and nervous system. Feel the heal. And when you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes, take a nice big yawn, take a nice big stretch, and return to your room knowing that you have healed your body.